Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into a must-have for every toolbox or organizational kit, the best 6-inch clear zip ties on the market. If you're looking for a versatile solution to keep things tidy at home, in the office, or even outdoors, these zip ties from Rienar are designed to deliver. Let's break down why they stand out from the rest. These Rienar 6-inch clear zip ties come in a pack of 1,000, offering you unparalleled value and versatility. They're made from industrial-strength nylon, ensuring durability and flexibility. With a maximum tensile strength of 18 pounds, they're more than capable of handling various tasks. From securing cables and wires to organizing your garden or workshop. What makes these zip ties exceptional? Firstly, they feature a self-locking design, which means once secured, they stay in place without any risk of loosening. This makes them incredibly reliable for both indoor and outdoor use. They're also weather-resistant and UV-resistant, ensuring they won't deteriorate in sunlight or extreme temperatures. Their ease of use is another standout feature. The nylon material is flexible yet sturdy, making them effortless to handle and secure. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast, a professional electrician, or just someone looking to tidy up their living space, these zip ties offer unmatched convenience. Let's talk about where you can use these zip ties. They're perfect for home organization, from neatly bundling cables behind your entertainment center to securing plants in your garden. In an office setting, they're invaluable for managing computer cables or even for arts and crafts projects. Outdoors, these zip ties excel in securing temporary fencing, tying down tarps, or organizing camping gear. Their robust construction ensures they can handle the rigors of outdoor environments without breaking a sweat. On the positive side, their affordability and the sheer quantity you get in a pack make them a fantastic investment. The self-locking mechanism is reliable, and the nylon material's durability means they won't easily fray or snap. However, in terms of durability, some users find them slightly less robust compared to heavier-duty variants for extremely demanding applications. Also, while they're great for most household and light industrial uses, for extreme conditions or heavy loads, you might want to consider thicker or metal zip ties. In conclusion, if you're looking for the best 6-inch clear zip ties that strike a perfect balance between strength, flexibility, and affordability, look no further than these from Rienar. They're versatile, easy to use, and built to last. Whether you're tidying up cables indoors, securing items outdoors, or tackling DIY projects, these zip ties are an essential addition to your toolkit. I hope you found this review helpful. If you have any questions or want to share your experiences with these zip ties, drop a comment below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more product reviews and recommendations from Product Critique. Until next time, happy organizing!